There are two ways to start the FileMind MetaPanel editor, either over the menu item Edit MetaPanel directly in the main menu, or over the menu Workspace Editor, which calls the Workspace Editor. You select the workspace you want to work on. You go to the MetaPanels tab. Inside this tab, you select the MetaPanel that you actually want to edit, and you click the Edit button. All customization settings for a MetaPanel are stored in the three tabs: General, Filter, as well as Edit View. The General tab defines the title and the icon of a MetaPanel. The description entered here is shown as a tooltip in the MetaPanel when it is loaded. The panel type determines how the metadata will actually be displayed. There are 5 different types: the detail view, column view, the cards view, the rows view, as well as the layout view, which allows total customization. The second tab allows 4 specific filter settings that are impacted by the settings inside raw source element property files. If a check is set at Ignore the Show Always flag, then items that are normally displayed inside the table, even if there is no data visible, will not be shown. If the check is set under Ignore the Is Hidden flag, then very technical items that are usually not displayed in the grid will be displayed. This can increase the amount of metadata significantly, especially in EXIF data. The checkbox on the right-hand side about info elements determines whether or not info elements will be included in the MetaPanel. The large entry field at the bottom of this tab is reserved to enter MetaPanel IDs that you can set inside RSE property files to only show metadata items that are defined with a specific MetaPanel ID custom property. For more information about custom property settings, please go to the Metability wiki and click on the MMF section, then metadata items, raw source element, info element, and custom properties. Those pages contain a very good overview about what custom properties are and what can be done with them. In particular, the settings in the Filter tab of our MetaPanel are impacted by the custom properties Is Hidden, Is Always Shown, and MetaPanel ID. The last set of settings defines how metadata items can be edited and viewed. The first checkbox relates to the custom property Edit Warning. If you check this setting, then this warning message will not be displayed. The second checkbox overrides a read-only flag so that items that are set as read-only in the user interface will be editable. The checkbox on the right side is also designed for advanced users to allow free editing in fields that are normally limited to a controlled vocabulary.